Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to talk about fragrances in my collection that nobody really talks about. I don't know why. I really enjoy them, but I don't know why a lot of people don't talk about them. So let me know down in the comments what's a fragrance that you really love it, but nobody else really talks about it. And you like, but why? So I see a lot of these Al Haramain fragrances going around on YouTube, but I never see anybody talking about this one. And this one is Amber Oud Ultraviolet. This is just a really nice white floral fragrance. If you like white florals, you would like this. Surprisingly, the longevity on this was really good, but I heard that about this brand too. So you know, this was giving white florals with a little sweetness, with a little like musk and patchouli. And it's definitely, like I said, super long lasting. I sprayed it on, wore it to go run errands, and it lasted me pretty much mostly all my day till I got back home, and I was out for a while then. So yeah, if you like white florals, because that's what this is giving, with a little sweetness, a little muskiness, some patchouli. The patchouli isn't dirty or stinky or anything like that. It's just like something that kind of grounds the fragrance to give the white florals a little more something. But yeah, girl, this is cool for wearing to run errands and all of that. So yeah, this, I don't know why people don't talk about it, because it's a nice, affordable white floral fragrance. Sun Bleach by Une Nuit Nomade. When I did the house video, when I got all the samples from them, and I had this full bottle, and I have just been still loving it. This has been the perfect time to wear it, and this is for my people that like that nice clean linen, clean laundry. Not literal clean laundry, definitely more in a perfume form, but it's clean, it's fresh, it's light, perfect to wear on a hot day. And it's like that clean linen that's been drying outside and in the sun, like, you know what I mean? It has a solar quality to it a little bit too. So I really like this. I feel like I get the beach. The clothes are sun drying on the beach, like, because you get all of that. For me, this is something I would grab on a summer morning when we just going to breakfast and I just want to smell clean and fresh, not trying to do too much of anything. Don't really want to smell like fruits and sweet and all of that. I just want to smell clean and fresh. So this is definitely something I would pull for a nice summer morning. Nice, slight, very slight little sweetness to it. And this is so good for my clean, fresh people that, you know, like those type of fragrances. Easy reach, easy grab those, especially in the hot weather. Another one for that is Pacific Rock Moss. Like, I have not been wearing this the way I've been wanting to wear it, because my man likes it too. He has some decants of it, and so when he's reaching for it, I don't reach for it. But I gave him the decants that came with the bottle, and it just smells so clean, fresh. It's definitely got that marine, aquatic, slight saltiness to it. I think, to me, this leans hella unisex. When a man wears it, it smells good on him. When a woman wears it, it's like right up and down the middle unisex to me. Like I said, it's got that aquatic, that salty, but not too salty, more like aquatic, marine, but clean and fresh at the same time. Like, this is so clean and fresh still. So it's like a mix between maybe clean linen and aquatic marine, if that makes any type of sense. Like how the bottle, the juice looks, that blue, that's kind of how the fragrance smells to me. And I really like this. Perfect for hot days, and a lot of people don't talk about it. I think they don't talk about it. Sunset Hour gets all the shine, and that's a great one. Been loving that this summer. I think a lot of people don't talk about this because this might lean slightly masculine to a lot of women, but to me it's straight up and down, and it's just super nice and clean for hot weather. I feel like I can wear this one any time of the day during the summer. I can wear it in the daytime, I can wear it at night, because it is just clean and fresh. So I really don't have to think about it with this one. But yeah, perfect for summer weather. Also, Southern Bloom by Goldfield and Banks. My juice is nice and dark, super purple, almost looks black. And if you have this bottle, let it sit till your juice gets like this. It's powdery, soft, sweet. Oh gosh, I said in a recent video that this leans mature to me, and that's one of the reasons why I love it. You have to like powdery, irisy fragrances. The Baronia flower makes it very powdery, floral, creamy a little bit. The coconut in there, it's more like a coconut water. It's not super creamy, but that might be what's giving it the sweetness too. But I have just really been enjoying this summer. It smells so good to me, but like I said, you do have to like powdery fragrances, and the iris in here is not lipsticky to me. It's not a lipsticky iris. It's just a clean, soft, powdery, almost cotton-like with some sweetness type of iris. This is something I could dress this up or dress this down. I wouldn't necessarily wear this to go run errands. I feel like it's a very elegant fragrance, so I feel like you want to wear this to something elegant, like a wedding or something like that, some kind of ceremony or something going on outside, outdoors. You can wear this to a winery, you can wear this to a birthday dinner, because it's just soft and classy and elegant. May lean, like I said, on the slightly mature side to some people, but I have been living it. This one is Sherwood by Memo Paris. I wore this on a summer date night because I wanted to test it out, and I wasn't even sure that it would work in the heat, you know what I mean? Because if you smell it, it's definitely a thick, sweet, spicy type of fragrance. It's creamy, slightly lactonic, not super lactonic. It smells like, to me, it smells like if you layered like Blanche Bed with Side Effect, or Blanche Bed with Gris Charnel with a dash of Side Effect, like something like that. It ended up working out so well for the summer. It's definitely giving some kind of nuttiness. I think it has like carrot seeds in it, so it's giving like a slight nuttiness, definitely a creaminess like tuberose or orange blossom. It's like a creamy white floral for sure. And like I said, it has a little bit of lactonicness to it, but definitely some spice in there, like some warm spices, some cardamom, some cinnamon, something like that, you know what I mean, nutmeg or something like that. They're like warm spices. When you put it on your skin, those spices just blend in with the florals, and it just gave me such a nice, just kind of elegant dinner time you know, feeling. It didn't give me like super sexy or nothing like that, but it was just so elegant, classy, but different with the spices and the creaminess. Like, girl, this, I don't know why people don't talk about this. This is nice, and it's going to be even better in the cold weather, I think. Now, I heard a couple people talking about Palace of Themes, but I feel like it's just not getting the love that it deserves for the summertime. This is a beautiful rose, like a jammy sweet rose. It's thick. I always tell y'all this is like 100 Silent Ways. Mama, if you smelt this before, you probably get the analogy like, no, this is a more mature version of that. This has to have like roses and red berries, and it's just so juicy and fruity, but still thick and really regal at the same time. Like, not regal like the queen, but regal like it's on a slightly more mature level than 100 Silent Ways to me. My juice is nice and dark, and it's just rich. It has good performance, and I just don't know why a lot of people don't talk about this when they're talking about fruity fragrances or fruity floral fragrances, because this is a really, really good one. Definitely, like I said, it's on the slightly more mature side, but not in a bad way at all. It's giving a grown woman fruity floral, and I have been enjoying this one. Why doesn't anybody talk about The Boss? This is by Christopher Lee Fragrances, and this is so good for summer weather. This fragrance is clean, a little spicy, fruity, floral, a little cologne-y fresh, like, you know what I mean? Like, it has so many facets to it, and it just smells good. I really like it. I don't know if this would be like what it is to me to everybody else, but I have really been enjoying this for the summer. Like, you can dress this up, you can dress it down, you can do really whatever you want with this. I feel like the performance on it was more on the moderate side. It wasn't super beast mode or super long lasting, but it had a nice, you know, about 4 hours where I can really smell it on me. But once it started fading a little bit, like, I wanted to top it up. So it probably could have went a little bit longer, but I wanted to top it up because of, you know, where I was going, and I just wanted to smell nice and, you know, my fragrance to be nice and fresh. So yeah, I have been enjoying this. I don't know why a lot of people don't talk about it, but I think you should get your nose on it, and it's hella affordable. This is something that I've worn to lunch on a summer day, and I've also wore it on a date night too. It was a casual date night, but this, I felt like I could have dressed this up as well. If you're looking for a floral that is more aquatic, light, airy, you know, more daytime, summertime, uplifting, you don't want your floral to be so thick and rich and heavy and dense, then go with Leucine. This is by the House of Liss, or Liss is the name of the house. It's popular from that fragrance Bow. A lot of people love the fragrance Bow, and this is the same house. And this is definitely a nice floral, clean, almost slightly a little soapy a little bit, but so watery and aquatic. It smells like it gives you like La Rose vibes because of how the florals sing with the, you know, aquatic notes. So that's what I get when I smell it. This is such an easy reach, light, airy, something you can wear to work, you can wear to church, you can wear to run errands, you can wear to a nice lunch, you can wear this to so many different things. This isn't something I would wear at night, but anything going on in the daytime, you can definitely wear this. If you like Chanel Chance Otandra, this is kind of in that same family as that. They could definitely be sisters or cousins. So that's one of the reasons why I like it, because I like that fragrance too. And yeah, this reminds me of that, but it's a little bit I ain't gonna say a little bit more upscale, but it is a little different, a little bit more turned up. Another aquatic floral, but going in a kind of a different direction. This one isn't very soapy. This one is more fruity floral, and it's definitely still got an aquatic vibe to it. And this is Opus Core by Wilhelm Perfumery, and I like this. This is a nice floral, fruity floral, and it's light and airy and juicy, clean, definitely work appropriate, church, anything going on in the daytime. You could wear this to a winery as well, because it's just a fruity floral with a slight little bit of greenness, but definitely has that watery, clean, summertime, something you want to wear in heat type of feel to it for sure. But yeah, I have been liking Opus Core. The only other person I heard talk about this was my girl Ev from the Ev Effect, so she loves it too. And it's just one of those easy reach, fruity floral grab and goes, and I've really been enjoying it. So yeah, Opus Core, give it a try if you like aquatic fruity florals. Lastly, if you're looking for something creamy and more coconut, you know, something a little more vacation tropical for you, you have to like Lactonic though, and this is Exotic by Orientica. This is definitely a creamy, exotic, sweet coconut. Definitely got to be some vanilla in here. It's giving almost like a summertime marshmallow, if that makes any sense. It's definitely giving that for sure. So a summertime marshmallow with some coconut, that's what this is giving. This does lean lactonic to me, so you have to, I feel like you have to like cream, at least creamy fragrances, because this definitely has a creaminess to it for sure. And this is something easy reach. I would just wear this to go run errands. I probably wouldn't wear it on a super hot day. More of like when it's like 80, you know what I'm saying, something like that. This would be cool. This will also be nice to wear like if you're going to a covered, you know, lunch on the beach, not where the sun is just kind of beaming on you, because this could probably get a little cloying, but that's where I would wear this to. But yeah, if you're looking for, and this also I think is good for layering. So if you like to add some creaminess, some sweetness, some coconut to your other summertime fragrances, this is affordable and you can use this to layer as well.
Hey y'all, sorry I didn't record an outro. We were trying to get to lunch. I was trying to hurry up and film these videos, but thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.